In ShareScope 7.2.5 and above, we've enhanced the data that we have for funds, investment trusts, ETFs and bonds. And I'm going to show you how to access that data in ShareScope. Now this is the company details view, which ShareScope customers should be familiar with. It shows you the financial results, forecasts, ratios, etc. for company shares. But if I change list to unit trusts or to corporate bonds, for example, you'll see that we don't have a lot of information for those instruments, or rather we didn't. Now we have, so let me show you how to add that into your copy of ShareScope. Let me change list back to unit trusts. Now what you'll want to do here is get one of your blank detail settings. Remember, you've got 12 detail settings. Let's go down to setting 7. I'm going to select that. Right click in the blank setting and we have these new summary views. And one of these summary views is the fund bond view. So let's add that and you'll see we've got some information here. Let's just search for a fund which I know has even more data. I'm just going to drag this summary view up to the corner. Remember, you can reshape, resize these windows as much as you like. So what have we got here? We've got performance data, we've got rolling 12-month performance data, we've got total return data, annualized performance. We've got top funds in this sector over 1 year, 5 year and 10 years. So if you've come across a fund, for example, maybe your SIP or ISA broker has recommended one, look at it in ShareScope and it will instantly tell you over different time periods what the best performing fund is in that sector. Now if that also happens to be in a relevant investment trust sector, you get another table underneath telling you the top performing investment trusts over the same time periods. There's more key information down here, and we've also got the activity breakdown, top 10 holdings, countries, asset allocation, if it's a bond fund, maturity range and coupon range. Now these summary views will change automatically whether you're looking at a fund or an investment trust or an ETF or a bond. So once you've created a detail setting with this window in, that's all you need. Let's just rename this detail setting so we know what it is. So we were on setting 7. I'm going to go down to rename setting and let's call this funds and bonds and click on OK. Now if I change list back to FTSE 100 shares, we'll see that I've still got the same details setting, but it's not relevant anymore. So we've added a new feature which is on the detail settings menu called Smart Settings. So let's click on that. And what this does, this enables you to assign particular detail settings to different lists. So if I click on Use Smart Setting, so for investment trusts, I want my funds and bonds setting to be used. Unit trusts, again, going down the list here, bonds and gilts, yep, we want our funds and bonds setting, and ETFs as well. Let's click on OK. So let's change list to our unit trusts again, and we've got the appropriate detail setting. Let's change to corporate bonds. And we've got, looks similar, but this is bond information. Let's go to ETFs. And we got here we go, summary for 2 times leverage, long exchange, traded access securities. And let's go to shares. And there we go, we've got the appropriate detail setting. It's a default setting which is called main, which is designed for shares. If you need any more help with setting this up, please give the support team a call. They'll be more than happy to help.